This is the 110R, a minimalist mid-tower ATX case with all the essentials for your next build. The 110R's minimalist design ensures your system looks good in any environment, whether it's your office, living room, or battle station. And with its beautiful tempered glass side panel, you can showcase all your hard work and fancy components. The 110R also has ample storage options with room for up to 4 drives. There are 2 low-profile 2.5-inch drive brackets and a removable cage that houses up to 2 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch drives. Plus, there's a 5.25-inch optical drive bay in the front. Although it's a minimalist case, there are still plenty of options for cooling, with room for up to 5 120mm fans or 3 140mm fans, and a variety of compatible radiators. The 110R's design makes it easy to build a clean system and keep it that way. With a full-length PSU cover, you can keep your PSU and cables out of sight. And the removable dust filters in the floor, roof, and front of the case help keep your system looking clean long after the build is finished. With 2 USB 3.1 Type A ports and a combination headphone microphone jack, the front I/O panel on the 110R provides easy access to your favorite devices. The 110R mid-tower ATX case is modern, minimalist, and stylish, with all the essential features you need to build your next PC. For more information, visit us at Corsair.com.